Tired of struggling to save and share website content? Let's transform any web page into a neat, shareable PDF using the magic of AI. First, copy the text from the website you want to convert, navigate to ChatGPT, and paste that text into the chat window. Now, tell ChatGPT what you need. You can ask it to summarize the text, extract specific information, or even reformat it into bullet points for clarity. Be specific with your prompt to get the best results. See how ChatGPT quickly condenses the information. This makes it much easier to work with. Copy the summarized or reformatted text that ChatGPT provides. Open a document editing program. This could be a word processor like Google Docs, Microsoft Word, or even a simple text editor. Paste the output from ChatGPT into this new document. Now it's time to create your PDF. Go to the File menu, and then select Save As or Download. From the list of available formats, choose PDF. Give your PDF a descriptive name, and save it to your desired location. And there you have it, a perfectly formatted PDF of your website content, ready to be shared, printed, or archived. It's simple, efficient, and incredibly useful.